Alright, so here's how to create your own WhatsApp channel in 1 minute. Go to your Play Store or App Store. Try to update your WhatsApp. For me, I use WhatsApp Business and my app is already updated. If yours is not updated, it will show update here. But alright, so you update your WhatsApp. So after updating your WhatsApp, go to your WhatsApp. You see something like this. So this is channel. This is where you see your status update now. You click on this icon. Alright, click on create channel and read through their guidelines. You might decide to go through the guidelines so that you don't have your account banned or restricted, or then you click on continue. Create a channel name, let's say digital, Ade James. Let's use Ade James and write your description. You can change your pictures here and then you click on create channel. So there you go, you have successfully created our channel. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.